Hey, what's up everybody? This is Royce from Pedal Metal. Welcome to my channel. Today's video is taking a look at let's see what we have here. Can you guys figure it out? It's one of the latest, newest RLC models. And we'll flip it over. Dun dun dun. That's right. We have the 1982 Lamborghini Countach LP500s. And that is the way that they come shipped. And I will get my handy dandy popsicle stick out, and we'll go ahead here and open it up. There's what the side looks like, saying it's not for kids, blah blah blah. There's the bottom of the box. Okay, now we're taking a look at the inner box, which has basically a cardboard cover that goes over top the plastic display case. I think they did a really nice job on this. The presentation of it's, I think, really nice. All right, I want to give a big shout out to a new friend of mine. His name is Joel out of Vidalia, Georgia. He was kind enough to sell me this example at a really good deal, good price, I should say. And I will put his eBay store up on underneath the screen here, and you guys can check it out. He has all kinds of stuff, not just like Hot Wheels. He has all kinds of interesting stuff in his eBay store. So we'll go ahead here and take a... I like how this just pulls right off the cover. That's really cool. And then we will take a look at how it's displayed. This thing, I think they did a really nice job with this. The presentation of it, just to get in the pomp and circumstance of the whole thing, to open it up, was really well thought out. I think I really like it, the way they had done the doors are up here, and then there's an insert inside, I think, to help with shipping and whatnot, with sending it out with the doors up. So I'm gonna have to be careful here not to break the tabs on the case, but we'll go ahead here and stop it, and I'm gonna take it off the base, and we'll check this puppy out. I forgot to mention earlier that supposedly they made 12,500 of these. As you can see there, this one says, what, 7,593 out of 12.5. This car is an absolute stunner. Pulling this out of the box, it is just beautiful in person. I thought it was more of a burgundy color, but it's definitely a candy apple red Spectra Flame paint job on it. It does appear to be burgundy in photos, but it's there you can kind of see it under the lights. It's very difficult to photograph. The wheel choice is good on it, but I'm not sure what kind of plasticky the wheels. But this thing is phenomenal. This thing is just gorgeous right out of the box. This might be in my top 6 favorite Hot Wheels cars of all time now. This thing is just beautiful. And I have read online and heard some people say about the doors. You gotta be very, very careful with the doors. They can break easily, so you have to be very careful. And it's obviously probably not meant to be messed with too much. So I will be careful here when I go to put the doors up. But let's stop it here once. I'm going to take a look. But if you look at that right there, if I can get this to stop, we got, it's hard to see there, but the tampos are great on this. And there is a small, I don't know if I can get zoomed up or not. You may not be able to see it, but there's definitely, it's a black LP500s logo on there. Right there, you can kind of see it off to the right side. This thing is just really cool. I think the tampos in the front look great as well. I got a hair right here on the trunk, but you can see it's a nice little Lamborghini badge logo. Now the Spectra Flame, it really shows any kind of fingerprints, any kind of lint or hair. So I think they did a great job. The tampos look amazing on the front of this. We have seatbelt details, which looks really nice in that tan. A little bit darker tan on top of a light doe skin tan interior. The shifter's painted in. We got some console details. I love it. This thing is just awesome. Gorgeous. Look at that. There we got a good shot of the labeling on the back. Just freaking awesome. How cool is that? This has got to be one of the coolest Hot Wheels since the Toy Fair Porsche 934, in my opinion. This thing is just amazing. Awesome. Now, I am not a member of the Redline Club. I used to be, but I didn't like all the hoops you had to jump through. And then half the time the website didn't work. It was so freaking annoying. And then you had to buy crap you didn't really want. So I am not a fan of it, of the club, but if they keep producing vehicles like this, I might have to rejoin this coming year, because this thing is just awesome. I paid double basically what Joel paid for it, but now he did have to pay shipping and stuff too. But this car is only going to go up in value. I mean, now the 12,500 of them is a lot. Granted, they did make a lot of them, but so I might be wrong on that. But either way, this is a must-have, easily a must-have in the collection. This thing is, they knocked this one out of the park and way down the street, in my opinion. Gorgeous. Look at that paint job. This is freaking awesome. So this one here is, it's exciting to do a review on a car like this, that one that you see photos online and then actually have it in hand and it doesn't disappoint at all, is really exciting. I know I've been going for, I took about 3 months off, so this has me really invokes a lot of the passion I had prior to getting kind of burned out on everything, and I had some family issues going on, and so this thing almost brings a tear to your eye. It's really that good looking in person. It's stunning. Look at the door details. So this one is a must have, in my opinion. If you're a Hot Wheels collector, you got to go and get this one. Now, you may end up having to go obviously on eBay or wherever and beg somebody to sell you one, and or you just bid on one, but this thing is awesome. So there you go. That is the 1982 Lamborghini Countach LP500s, and it is a stunner. I mean, you could say S for stunning, because this thing is, wow, awesome. So thanks for watching. If you like this type of video, be sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not a subscriber. That's free. You can't beat free. And hit the bell for notifications. And I am not going away anytime soon. I'll be back. And I love all you guys and love the support. And until next time, I'll see you guys later. Alright, see you guys soon. Alright, bye now. Alright, I just want to do some comparisons quick here, just for the poops and giggles. This is the original Countach release from Hot Wheels, and it's pretty atrocious when it's next to the newer mold. It's horrible. But I like to do these comparisons sometimes and just park them next to each other, and you can really see how far they've come. And they've come, it's wow, it's a night and day difference. It's like a kit car parked next to the real one there. And then I also want to show the red one that was released, sans wing, of course, though. We'll get this white one out, so I'll bust it up. We'll get that out of there. And we'll bring this one in. This was released in, what was it, late 18, early 19. Let's tap on it here. This, I did a video of it. Tap on it and get the lights to come on. And I'm pretty sure it's the same mold. It sure looks like it to me. I'll put a link up for that video that I'd modified that one. When you tap it, it has a bouncy ball lights in it, and it makes the lights come on. But I just was curious. I wanted to see, the dimensional differences and whatnot. And I think they're pretty darn close. And then we bring in this new Tamika, or Tommy, and it's pretty darn close to the same size as well. Very detailed right out of the box. So there gives you an idea there. Pretty darn, both of them are very cool. Alright, I just wanted to do a quick comparison, and I'll get back to the conclusion of the video.